All right, I had to go get some purple sweet potatoes today. And when you get purple sweet potatoes, make sure that they are actually purple flesh sweet potatoes. As you can see, slice one here so you can see the flesh, which is purple. Now, you do have the ones that have the purple skin, but not purple flesh. Now, let me tell you, these things are not cheap. They are expensive. These here ran me like $2.60-some a pound. So these few potatoes right here cost $8. So when you cook this, you want to cook it right. Hey, if you haven't liked this page, like it. Stay tuned because I'm revising my purple sweet potato pie. I'll be uploading that video soon. So stay tuned.